I said do this first. Start this out first. And then you do the flooring.
1 inch, the least 1 inch lower than the inside of the house.
And me say, girl, you are one. Remember, I have the toast of woman pants them. 15 bits.
Human son make up with man pants Spanish down and keep the whole of it.
Yes, my people. So I just come in from a hard day's work, right? So the workman supposed to forward today. Him say I'm gonna sort out the door jam. So I'm gonna go and wait for him. It's about an hour now. I still no sign of him. Like a joke thing him depon. Yo, the way the man takes so long for forward. I just find something around the house to go and occupy my time until I see him. Him just reach. Finally. So, we don't waste no time. We just start to take down the door jam, right? Because we need to remove this first before we can make the adjustments. I don't know why my jail choose to act up on this day. So, brother when I did hire for putting in the door jam, but they tell him say, I don't want a nail in the door jam for the stick with just only screws. But you know the man always want to do them own thing. So I'm putting nails in it, right? So that I give you the problem to take down the door jam. Piece of the wall get chipped off and when I move the door jam. One of the screw them never come out. So we'd have to find a different way to remove that area. So that's why we have to find things to pry up the side. Right? It'll give you a little trouble still. But we'll eventually get it done. And that's why it's good to not make mistakes. Because you have to go through stuff like this. Right? Because this could have been avoided if it did do the right way from the start. And we could have focused on something else right now. But no, them like for make mistakes, right? I mean, it's not like some I pay for it still. I feel mistake. So it's free of cost to undo his mistake. The initial plan was after I get the door jamb removed, would I put it on the back room and put a different door on the back room. But to reduce the time wasted when they take for forward, I decide to just put back the door jamb, right? And just save the back room for a different day. Because this, as you can see, it'll take up a lot of time right now just to remove the ear there, right? So which part of the screw break off, right? As you can see, it's a problem for remove it.
Carry it out of the way though. So leave up the foot.
It no matter how much you pull it, people, it just wasn't coming off.
No, take up the foot out right hand.
Finally, it looked like it a go rain.
What with this? Where next one?
So what we are do right now is got them little thing right now, cause we're gonna put up at the door jam. We kinda measure it in our way for which part we want it to go. We kinda make it sturdy in our way. As you can see, I'm doing measurements to make sure everything accurate. At least me that I still to make sure everything alright still. Yeah, so we're gonna try fit in back the door jam right now and see what areas need to be adjusted. The part had gone out too much, so we need to bring it in some more so it can fit in back.
All the way down the side, I go. Tell the Marcus why I cut it.
So what I'm do basically is I'm use a piece of tile if a kind of replica. If the place the tile, so I'm measure from the tile, go up to the top of the door jam to see how much space can be left off for the door. So the door can go back and forth without touching the tile. Because the door not supposed to touch the tile at any point in time. If it do touch the tile, that means something gone wrong. Some measurements was off. As you can see, I might use the leveler to make sure everything even, right?
Slide around both.
So making a use the other one there, your foot right there, so instead of yeah, use the one there. Nobody broke off the one there, man. Use the one there, your foot, brother. So I gotta put on back the door now to see if
I
the
said
door
this they
can
come
go
out some
back and
more.
forth without touching the tile,
That big board.
and to see if the door can
How
close
that look?
properly.
Pull up.
No, just put the tile right there. So that's in the wristband. The tile is spoiling, you know.
Ready, sir?
So this is where the problem started.
And now you for tell me. Are you the professional, man?
No, but me I say, what gone for?
No, I say basically wait the rider, so see there? As it go down, as it go back, so as it go lower, right? See there? Get higher to the wall. Cause basically low right now. So if you go put it down no more, it's a scratch on the wall when you reach it. It's a scratch on the ground when you reach it, so. Cause oh, it's perfect over there, so you know. It's alright over there, so you know. It's alright over there, so. And the problem that me I say if this have to go back, me I say it never make no sense it move. So when you down do the floor now, you'd measure it to how the door stay right now. So you probably wouldn't use this amount of cement we are using right. Though we wouldn't have a problem right, because it bring down the flooring to the level how it's supposed to be done. And they say yes or no.
What you say?
If you did fix this first, right? If you decide this out first now, and then when you do the flooring now, you measure it to how you want it measure, right? Because you gotta bring it down so. It probably wouldn't depend on the level there, but you'd work with it and you'd measure it to which part of the door start down here.
What happened was we end up have to put the door jamb back in the original spot. This never made no sense. I'm telling the man, you know, tell the man from the get-go, say the best for put down the door jamb first before the flooring start out. Right? Tell him. So that was a waste of time. So let me tell you what's going on. So we take off the door jamb, right? As indicated in the video. But we end up having to put it back at the exact spot where I take it from. Here why? So because we do the flooring first, ground higher than expected. So when we drop the door jamb, I put on about the door can't open. Right? So when the tiler do come in, we have a big problem. So I would already tell the workman say we want to drop the door jamb on the level, but what I tell him, right? To level it with the window, right? So problem again. So we have to end up put back the door jamb in the same spot. So all when you see we are doing in the video was a total waste of time, right? So you have to go wait until tiling time. So the tiler can come and make measurements and tell you how much part of the ground chip off before we can drop back the door jamb. Because really and truly, I don't want to leave it like that, right? I want everything even, right? I don't want to look back, once everything completed and, doors, everything, everywhere deck off everything and, the place look like a real house. Then I look on this one little error and then think to myself, say, I shouldn't make this pass me. I should have sorted this out. And this is the right time to sort it out. Because it don't make no sense when everything fix up. We are paint everything and then this error. And one thing I'm learn, once you spot an error, you can never stop seeing it. Always in the back of your mind. Right? You can always, when you come in on the veranda, you can always see it. And there could be that one mistake that you never corrected. So I'm going to correct it. No matter how long it takes, it'll get sorted out. Right? So, we'd have a little back and forth thing with the workman, but, it never going away still. We decided to put it up back and, wait till the tiler come in so we can. I don't know when that is, but when the tiler come in, we can make his measurements and everything, and we just, get by the hilty and chip off when need to be chipped off. Because each time, when the door drop, right, and it's a scrape on the floor, basically, him keep on and knock it up more to get the door off of the ground, right? So when me I take a look on here, so I knock it up, I like, brother, you basically I put it back in the same part where I take it from. So him I said, have to go up more, it's the door now go home, which I understand, yeah. But in my mind, me I say, yeah, put it back in the same spot where I take it from. So what was the sense of we moving it in the beginning, right? So we start to have a look back and forth thing, because me I say, the plan was to initially do this first, right? But them that I say, for best to do the flooring first, and then we see the height at which part it reach, and then we can. But that never made no sense, right? That never made no sense, right? So we need to sort this out before. As I say, it might look minor, right? Because as you can see which part I'm going to draw the line, here's it's supposed to be. It might look minor, but it can be corrected, right? And the best time to correct it are before we do the veranda, the flooring for the veranda, right? Best time to do it. So what I want to do for me now, I want to shot me a comment, I want to like up the video, and I want to subscribe to the channel, alright? To see more content, alright? So until next time, guys, I'm out.